What if I told you that you could build a fully functional website with its own front end, back end, and database with nothing but plain English? Sounds unreal, right? Well, today I'm going to show you a tool that actually makes that possible. No coding, no setup, no waiting. You just describe what you want. It's like talking to a friend. And this tool builds a fully functional website in real time. Out of all the website builders out there, this tool truly changes the game. Let's dive right in. On November 2024, a tool named Lovable was launched to the public. With that, a new concept known as webcoding was introduced, where instead of writing code line by line, you just describe what you want to AI, and this AI generates your entire code, where you can refine or prompt the changes accordingly. And today, with the help of this tool called Lovable, I am going to create a fully functional website. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to use this tool called Lovable and how website builders like Lovable actually works. Let's get the video. So let's just start with how website builders like Lovable actually work. It all starts with a simple prompt where you describe something like build me a dashboard with simple authentication. AI just processes the prompt and actually plans what pages, what components, and what features does the application should actually involve. And behind the scenes, there is a multi-AI agent that actually works, where one agent plans the whole structure of the website and another agent actually decides what framework we actually need to use to build the application, and one agent actually solves all the bugs, and one AI agent actually reviews all the changes that have been made. All of it together actually generates a production-ready code within seconds. And all of it should be done within our browsers. That's where a new concept known as web containers comes into the play, where a web container is basically a mini Node.js computer that actually runs within our browser. And thanks to something known as WebAssembly, web container is possible. Within the web container, we can actually install all the packages you need. We can actually have our own development server and also preview the whole application within the web container. Whenever you prompt changes to AI, something like add a toggle theme or add animation, AI just processes that prompt and makes changes to that particular page. And then web container instantly refreshes the preview. And once you are done with the development of the application, you can deploy it at any of the hosting services that is out there, like Vercel or Netlify. And that's how website builders like Lovable actually works. Now let's come to the part where I will show you exactly how using this tool called Lovable we can actually build websites. So let's get into that part. So here we are at the tool named Lovable. So here you can see the interface of the Lovable. So here you can see there is a box where you can actually prompt your website. Before going into that, when you actually scroll down, here you can see a from the community option where you can see all the pre-made websites by the Lovable community. And also you can actually use any of these pre-made templates and actually build on top of it actually. But today we are going to build a website from scratch. So let's just first log in into this website. So let me just click on login. Continue with, you can actually continue with any of your GitHub account or your Google account. I'm going to continue with my Google account. So it will take a few minutes. So I have successfully logged into our website. So let's describe what kind of website we actually want. So now I am going to build a developer portfolio website where we are going to try to prompt our website and let's see how the result will be. So let's just give it a prompt something like generate So here we have prompted a prompt where it goes like generate me a developer portfolio website with a world-class animation which follows a neat and a clean UI design. So the portfolio should contain sections of myself, about me, what I offer, projects, contacts. So basically we have just given a simple prompt with how the structure of our website should be. So let's click on enter and see how the output will be. So I have clicked on enter. So as you can see on the left side, the AI has started doing its work, where it's thinking about how our website should look like, what all sections our website should have. So here on the left side, it has started doing its process of thinking. And on the right side, you actually see the preview of the website once AI have done generating the website. Here you can see on the preview, on the top section, here you can see a site to be preview, there is a thing called analysis. When I click on analysis, here on the analysis section, you can actually view all the stats of whoever visited your website and what all things that has been happening in your website. It's like an overview of your website. So here you can see on the side of the analysis, there is a thing known as code. When I click on the code, here in this section, you can actually see the whole code that will be generated. Here you can see all the files and all the things that once AI have done generating, we can actually see the whole files in this section. And here you can see the cloud option where you can connect to any of your own built-in databases or add an LLM to the website. You can actually use this. So you can use this Lovable Cloud feature where it is free to use at the first, but you have to pay as you use their services frequently. So let's get in the preview and see if our website is ready. So as you can see, the AI has done its job, and here you can see our website. So as I scroll down, as I mentioned, in the first section should be about myself, and the second section should be about me, and the third section should be about what I actually offer. So, and the fourth section should be about the projects that actually I've done, and the fifth section should be about connection. So basically here I have specified that there should be a social media for clients to be connected to me. So basically here you can see whatever things we actually specified, the AI has done its work and actually generated this website, which is actually really decent. Actually it is done within a span of like 2 minutes. So it's actually incredible how beautiful work that AI has done. So here when you click on any of the links, when you click on contact, actually I am being now navigated and most of the things are working on this website. So, and also if you want to actually do any of the changes in our website, and like if you want to replace this developer portfolio with something like, hey, it's Nikhil. So let's just give it the prompt to actually do that change. So in the place of, let's just copy it, replace it with, hey Nikhil. We also, let's add a simple animation like a typewriter animation with a simple typewriter animation. So we have given it a prompt, a simple prompt like so. In the place of developer portfolio, replace it with hey Nikhil with a simple typewriter animation. Let's click on enter and see if AI will actually make the changes. So here you can see AI just replace it hey Nikhil. So let's just refresh and see what if it has added the typewriter animation. So I have refreshed the website. So here you can see the AI has actually added the typewriter animation when actually loading at the website this start. And also one more thing to notice here is that on the free plan of the Lovable, you will be actually getting a max of 5 credits per day. So here you can see on this icon, when I click on it, you can actually see I actually use it like 2 to 3 prompts already. So you have to, if you are on the free plan, you have to actually use these prompts carefully in order to generate your website. And if you want more prompts, you can actually go to any of the premium plans that is out there on Lovable, which you can see in this upgrade. When I click on the upgrade, you can see actually there is a pro plan which starts at $25 and a business plan which starts at $50 and an enterprise plan which will be customized according to your needs. So basically, let's come to the other options which is available here. Here you can see there is an GitHub option that is out there. So here you can actually connect to any of your GitHub accounts and actually use this website's code, where actually, let me show you the code of this website. When I click on the code, you can actually see the whole code that AI have been written for us to preview this website. So actually you can actually push this code to your own GitHub, actually make changes according to whatever things you need. So here you can see the whole code, and the code is basically written in React. So that's a feature that is really helpful if you are a developer. And also coming to another option which is publish. When I click on the publish, you can actually publish this website to the public domain. So when I click on the publish, Here it says like you can see we can actually give it a custom URL name. So let me give it my name, which is Nikhil. So here you can see the URL has been customizing. Here you can see nikhil.lovable.app, which at this, once I click on the continue, the website will be available on this particular URL. So let's click on continue. So let's just wait for a few minutes, and oh, you can see. So basically the Nikhil URL actually is been taken. So let's just give it something another. So let's just add something like 2k5. So let's see if it's available at this domain. So let's see if the domain is actually available to us. So here you can see we have successfully published the Love website. So once I click on this website, it will be actually redirected me to this website which we have developed. So let's just wait for a few seconds. So here you can see the website that we have made under a span of like 2 minutes. It's incredible how AI does it within a span of like a couple of minutes. It would like take us a couple of hours to actually develop this whole thing, like set up the project and actually writing all the components in React. But AI does it in like a span of like few minutes. So it's incredible how this tool called Lovable actually does. So if you want to build websites on your own without actually knowing anything about the code, you can actually use this incredible tool called Lovable and generate your own custom-made website. So this tool is actually incredible and helpful. You can actually build any kind of website that you want. It will be in e-commerce, maybe it will be in healthcare, or any of the specific domain that's out there. You can actually create any kind of website you want. You just have to prompt it in simple English, and AI just takes that prompt and actually builds the website as you wish. So here is all you need to know about the tool Lovable. The link for this tool will be in the description below. Do check it out and use it to build your own fully functional website. So with that, my name is Nikhil, signing off.